Okay, to make this game playable, really playable, we still have some issues to fix. What about the reset, right? Start from scratch. So a button is missing for resetting. Let's fix that. So, but before that, let's try it. So yellow, okay. Yeah, let me increase the volume so you can hear that. Red, yellow. Okay, so if we want to restart, right, we need a button here better to have that. So let's go to main storyboard and add another button here. Oh, actually, this is the first button we add, right? The previous one is just a label. So don't try to increase the size of that for now, because it's better to do that after we change the font size, okay? So let's drag that to here. Do you remember what is the font size we used for the label, for the yellow thing? 24. As a programmer, right? We like the multiple of 8. So let's do it. For this one, 24 for this one. Done. Now what's the best title for that? Reset. Yeah. Reset. Yes. Reset. Okay, now we need the connection right between this button and our view controller. Let's hide this pane so we have a bigger room to work with. So, well, it's the view controller. Yes, hold on Option key and click. Yeah, and now let's make it a little bit wider so it's easier for us, right, to work on them. Hide this one. Tap is the action, right, triggered by the tap gesture recognizer. Now similarly, we'll hold on Control key and drag this to here. Yeah, the connection type is action. Now what's the name? Reset. Reset is the best name. Because we don't use this, so it doesn't matter if we select this or not. Okay, let's do it anyway. Connect. So whenever we click the button or touch the button, the code inside this block will be run. Reset. Okay, we need a corresponding function in our game engine, right, to do the actual thing of reset. So let's go to our game engine, Connect4 game. Let's create a function named reset. Drop at, okay. Reset is so important. Let's put it at the top. Okay, function reset. No, we don't need any parameter. No return type. How do we reset? How do we reset the game? Obviously, we'll remove all the pieces on board, right? Remove all. No, remove all. Yes, this guy. Luckily, we have that. Is that enough? Is that okay? Let's fix this first. Mutating, because we change. By remove all, right? We change the state of this object. Is that enough? No, because we want to reset this guy, right? Actually, we need to consider all the properties here. We have 2 pieces and is yellow turn. Yeah, we need to reset that. Is yellow turn equals true, right? Yeah, otherwise we might, right? We might stop at some point when this one is false. Now, after we reset, everything is reset. Okay, with that out of the way, we can go back to our view controller. view controller reset. Yes, we just need pass, right? Pass down this task to our game engine. So it's game. Yeah, this is the name, right? For our game engine here. Model object game, right? Game. The type is Connect4 game. Do we have a reset here? No, every time. Every time. Okay, now is it ready? No. So in this case, because there's a lack of Xcode, so this guy is sleeping, right? Or it's kind of lazy. Let's force it to work, okay? Force it to work. Command B to trigger the compiler to compile. Now it's there. Reset. Yes. So after that, we need to do this, right? Wow, it seems to us we already did this. This code will be duplicated 3 times. Once here. Oh no, this part, okay? So it's okay. That's just 2 lines of code. So otherwise we can create another way is we can create a function, a helper function for that, right? Let's see, do we need to do that? Set, okay, I don't think so. Reset and do that. Now let's test it, okay? Run. Sure, we can. Oh, we forgot to use the auto layout. Let's fix that first. So go back to here to add the auto layout, right? Like what we did before, easy. Because we just use simple rules for auto layout. So we, assign the standard, right? The default 8 point for that, for the top, and 16 points for the left and the right. That's it. Because we don't need to set out the height or the bottom edge for this button. The platform will automatically decide, right? Automatically decide the bottom or the height of this button based on the font size we used and some other thing. Okay, now let's try it again. This time, pay attention to here. Run. Oh, select that, run it. Yes, right, is properly aligned. Now let's drop some pieces. The next one is red. Yeah, now let's do reset. Do we need the sound? Yes. Cool, it works, right? Now we can, you see, oh, yellow. Okay, wait a minute. Red, okay. Reset. Wow, you see? We didn't reset this guy. That's the bug. And let's fix this. So go to the game, no, our view controller. We still need to do things like that, right? So I think we can create a function for that. So function update view, okay, or update UI, something like that. UI means user interface. Update UI, so we can copy those things here and we can also, right, cut this. No, let's copy it. Copy. Let's update this one too. So let's hide the bottom console. So now we can just remove that, right? and that, and replace them with our update UI, right? And if you like, we can put it in front of that. So now after we update the UI, we play the sound, and here now we don't need that, right? After the game reset, we update UI, then play the sound. So this time we should fix the bug here, right? This should go to, after we reset, this should go to yellow. Okay, let's try it. So yellow, red, reset. Yes. Now we can start from yellow, red, reset. Okay, let's try this. And reset. Wow. It's cool. Let's do it. Uh-oh. That's not allowed, right? We just found a bug, a new bug. How can we fix that? Let's talk about that in our next video, okay? See you next time.